why many affiliates on ClickBank, especially newbies, are getting 100 to 1000 clicks, okay, on their landing pages and getting zero sales, zero conversions, and how you can fix this in 2026. Now, this short video, I'm going to reveal to you exactly, okay, how you can get the right type of buyers traffic, buyers click to your website, to your landing pages for ClickBank offers and getting actual sales and actual conversions that you're looking for. So this video is for someone who is done with wasting money in all the outdated programs, courses, right? And especially on ads that are bringing zero conversions. Now, if you are tired of getting clicks but no sales, then this is specifically exactly for you. And also, if you want a simple system, step by step, you can follow in 2026, working around 20 to 30 minutes per day to set up this affiliate campaign. Now, let me go straight into it, okay? As you can see over here, okay, most of the things, most of the problems that are coming from the outdated methods. You see, when you buy a course for $2,000-3,000 from known ClickBank gurus, right, selling you with their YouTube ads, you see that mostly it's geared toward masses, thousands of people who are buying the same copy and paste course with no real support, with no one-on-one actual strategies, actual psychology behind ads. Because what matters in 2026 is having the right simple system that's proven to work and that is sustainable, predictable, okay, for someone who is everyday Joe, meaning if you're working 9 to 5, you have a family, you have kids, you have a spouse, you don't have hours to waste on the computer, on the laptop, okay, and hoping something works or sticks. And let's be honest, most courses, you sit at home, watch them for hours just to find out, heck, I don't know what to do, I'm stuck, or your ads get shut down, or you don't know what to click, what button to press on your laptop to get real results, to get it up and running, okay? And it's not your fault. Now, right, what is the difference? You see, if you have clicks, if you have ever tried Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, or maybe even TikTok ads, and you got clicks, right? You got clicks, people clicking, but no sales. It's not your fault. What I would bet 99% is because you're getting curiosity clicks. Those are the wrong type of clickers, meaning people who are only Windows shoppers. They're not buyers. They're not there to swipe their credit card or debit card. No, they're there to waste your money and time. Meaning they just click because there's some weird, ugly image on your ad, on your YouTube ads or Google pay-per-click ad or Facebook ads. They see some weird, ugly image. They click on it because it's interesting enough to make them curious. Now write it down. I said curious, curiosity. Okay, there's big difference if you have someone with attention without intention, or if you have someone with attention, you get their attention, but also have buyer's intention. Buyer's intent, my friend, is what makes you money online. Okay, in many cases you can have 250 clicks and you get 1 to 10 sales. In other cases you have 1000 clicks, but those are the wrong type of clicks and you got zero conversions from the same from different type of traffic. Okay, so more traffic is never the answer. All right, now on Google, I love Google because it's all about buyers intent. Okay, we are looking for buyers, not curiosity clickers. And most people go on Google to look for the solutions, their pains and problems that they are dealing with every single day. Okay? Like for example, how to fix my problem, how to fix diabetes, how to lose weight. Those are some of the types of problems that everyday people like me and you are dealing with every day and actually searching for, right? So why most people fail with ClickBank affiliate marketing or any kind of marketing is because they create wrong type of ads. You see, there are 5 levels of market awareness. When I work with someone one-on-one over the Zoom call with my clients, with my students, I help them personally. And I always teach them and also show them exactly how they can apply this in real life on Facebook ads, on Google pay-per-click ads, right? Because it's all about resonance, having the right message to the market match. It's what matters in 2026, okay? So the old way was always setting up the ads by yourself, watching some long ads. 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours long video courses when you get more confused, more information overload, and you don't know what you don't know. And again, it's not your fault if you have done that, been there, okay? So what you can do in 2026 is use the new way, apply and install the new way of ClickBank affiliate marketing by having someone who can give you exact method that is proven to work, hot converting products on ClickBank, and also the right psychology behind of ads and the right structure of ads. Fundamentals are what matters in 2026, okay? So you can get automated on autopilot $100 to $500 per day in affiliate commissions, okay? Now all it takes is 3 simple and easy steps. Now the first step is we give you exact done for you offers that are converting really well and pay you up to 90% affiliate ClickBank commissions, okay? And step 2 is install a simple page with quiz funnel and add your affiliate link using our template, which is very important because it's all about psychology of marketing, psychology of ads, and psychology of mass marketplace. Very important, okay? Because it's not about ChatGPT, it's not about AI. If this would be true, then why you are still stuck and not making any money if AI could help you? Yes, can be a crutch, but you cannot take it very seriously because it's all about human beings buying your ClickBank products on the other side of this laptop or PC computer or mobile phone you're using, okay? You have to get it in your brain, in your mindset, that you need to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way by hand holding you and give you the exact campaign, okay? If you're serious to have results. So you can see with one of my students and clients, she's from Spain. She has made over $25,000 every single month on ClickBank because she understands what most people don't. It takes courage, it takes some steps, not making any excuses to get up and running, taking action to get results. We have done very well in different niches with her, and she's very coachable and actually applies what we do together, okay? So it'd be fast forward her results. Another students, you can see over here over the Zoom call. We get it up and running. This is not a video course, okay? So you can see over here. Now, what has affiliate marketing done for me is I have been traveled to almost now 70 countries, 70 countries. Not to brag, not to boast, but to show you and prove you what kind of life is possible, okay? Another person who is hiding behind computer, I'm willing to go on camera. I'm showing it on my Instagram, on my Facebook, on YouTube as well when I'm traveling all around the world. The reason why is because it's my passion to help people like you and my family also to have better life. And as you can see, I travel to many different luxury places, not only luxury, but to different dream exotic locations for vacation, for traveling, because that's my passion. I don't know what your goal is, but once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, you can definitely get results. Okay? It's not a rocket science. We're not talking about millions of dollars per month. We are talking about $10,000, $20,000 per month. I don't know, 5,000 US dollars per month. Whatever your goal is, it's doable and probable once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step. Okay? So next step, what you can do next is connect with me one-on-one. There's my WhatsApp number, correct? My personal cell phone number, my Instagram, my WhatsApp, email, and Facebook Messenger, where you can connect with me one-on-one right now after watching this video, but only if you're action taker, if you're not procrastinator, if you're not excuse maker, why you cannot invest in yourself, why you cannot do this, why you cannot do that, you're not for this kind of business, okay? But if you're someone who wants more for yourself, who has 30 minutes per day, who wants something better for the life, for your family, for your kids, for your parents, whoever you have in your life, for yourself. If you want more traveling, more freedom in life, that's totally for you if you're willing to take action.